This patient is a returning patient. It's Tywin Lannister, none other than the epic mastoid ear patient from episode 33. But today we're looking at the non-mastoid ear. Let's go. Zollner in, oil suctioned up. At first glance, this honestly doesn't look that difficult, but hidden underneath all of this is layer after layer of flat keratin. My perfectionist keratin viewers are going to love this. And immediately we're getting our first little golden piece lifting away. A good start already. In again. And at the end, I'll show you what the mastoid cavity now looks like nearly 2 years later. A second piece, slightly darker golden than I had expected. Now those with a keen eye will spot a tiny layer sitting at the top there. At first I'm thinking this is just residue. Or is it? First attempt. Nope. Just not enough grip there at all. Different angle now, and look at that. That huge keratin sheet is suddenly lifting up, and honestly it was almost invisible seconds ago. It's lifting now, folding into the tube, and this is where I need to stay really controlled because this layer is incredibly delicate. I'm holding it in that position for just one moment. Very slow movements here because one wrong movement could tear this layer straight off the eardrum. And finally into the tube it goes. And I cannot believe something that size is hiding there. Look at that. Very slowly it's peeling from the eardrum surface itself. Just wow. This is only the second time I've ever seen this. And now that that layer's gone, I can suddenly see even more hidden keratin underneath. This just keeps escalating. This feels much more stubborn. The suction keeps slipping and just refuses to attach properly. But wait, did you see that? Another huge keratin layer is suddenly lifting. Before I can even react properly, multiple pieces are suddenly vanishing into the tube, one after the other. Now for this hidden flat piece, same technique again. Steady suction, slow controlled outward movement, almost coaxing it free. I genuinely think we have it here. But nope, lost attachment again. Right, definitely need more oil now. Finally, we're getting some traction. Or are we? This looks exactly like the keratin from the mastoid ear. Quite thick, layered and chunky, but it still isn't releasing completely. Again, closer, controlled, and yes, we finally have solid attachment. Look at that. But somehow there's still more keratin hiding near the first bend of the canal. And another surprise, I genuinely am not expecting that size at all. It's huge. Precision removal. Crystal clear underneath all of that. Now this is what everyone's been waiting for. What does the mastoid cavity from episode 33 look like nearly 2 years after that epic procedure? Well, here it is. And unbelievably, that keratin is building right back up again. And I cannot wait to work on this ear again. See you in the next one. Dense plugs, almost no resistance at all.